How to add someone's story to your story on Instagram without mention. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can add someone's story to your story on Instagram without mention, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are mentioned in a story, it is very easy to share that story to your story because you will get a notification in the DM and it will also say you that add this to your story. But if you want to go ahead and then basically open up that story, let's say you are not tagged in that story, the only way you can actually take and re-upload that story is by simply taking a screenshot. So you can just go ahead and then basically make sure to take a screenshot over here. Once you take a screenshot, you can tap the plus icon and then now you can just go ahead and then add that photo, mention that person again, and then you will be able to add that story to your story. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.